My name is Rees and I'm representing the Young Ambassador Programme on behalf of Sport Wales and the Youth Sport Trust. Yeah, I think that for Wales we can definitely learn from what the world is currently doing, but I think it's also important that Wales kind of leads by example as well. As people say, what Wales does today, the world will follow tomorrow, and it's important that we kind of set our own examples and use our own expertise, as well as learning from other people's researches and expertise and knowledge as well. It's important that we kind of do our own thing as well and really lead by example from what we can do, and really appreciate that the power work we're actually doing and how we can implement others. I think the Welsh Future Generations Act is a real special thing in Wales, and we need to make sure that we actually start following it now. It's great to have this legislation in front of us, but we've really got to start taking action. And in terms of the young people and what part young people can play in the Future Generations Act, it's more importantly about how can we use young people to kind of determine our future. For me, it's a great opportunity for people like young ambassadors in Wales to kind of have this opportunity to be community champions and really take lead of their own communities. And it's great having this amazing resource, but we need to make sure that we're using it correctly, and it's a great opportunity to engage with young people and other people from the community. And for me, it's very important to ensure that community people, that they feel they feel welcome, they feel engaged, and they feel that their voices are heard, and that this Future Generations Act isn't just tokenistic and it isn't just something which ticks a box. It makes sure that that people in the community feel that they're valued and their opinions are being heard and they're being accounted for. For me, the key takeaway from today's conference is actually looking at kind of what action do we have to take next. It's great hearing from world leaders and from across World Health Organization and many other organisations in terms of some of the work that can be done and what is currently going on in Wales. But for me, the key takeaway is looking at kind of what comes next in terms of the actions that we have to take to start putting in practice of some of the speeches that we've heard and some of the ideas come into Wales. It's looking at now, how do we actually take charge of our nation and really make Wales a more healthier and happier place for people to live and grow up in Wales.